Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the Autel wireless, not wireless, this is a car charger for the car. And so the way it will work is go on the wall, and it has a cord, it's kind of long cord for the car, and it will charge from this. There we go. Okay, so this one here is, let's see what we got here. Let's see what this piece is here. So we have these different pieces and parts. We're gonna have to read through it all, figure it all out, get it on the wall. I'm sitting in the back of my Tesla. I have a charger over there that just stopped working. So this is what this is going to replace. So let's go ahead and try to figure this one out. Okay, put it back there. Okay, so it's like, this wire is so huge. It's a nice thick wire. It's gonna go 40 watts, I believe. So it should be a pretty fast charger. Most of the other ones you're gonna get at home are gonna be much less than that. Okay. So here we go. Well, max charger, single charger. Here is the stuff here. It looks like we're gonna have to open it up to get the wire box out, which is gonna be back here. Keep this strap before installation. Pull to detach the wire box. You open it. I guess here. Oh, there we go. So we have the wires will go in through here and connect up in there. So that's how this one's gonna have to work. So we're gonna have to get this one here. It's gonna be level 1, level 2 charger. And so this will mount to the wall with the wires coming up here. And then we are able to plug it in just like so, like we had there. So it'll plug in, just push in, and then we'll have our charger. And we can plug it in right there to hold it in place when we're not using it. How cool is that? Really nice. Nice little setup there. And let's see if there's anything else we're gonna have here. That's gonna be it right now. So we're gonna have to go and set this up. But I want to give you guys a little look-see of what it is here. It's going to be at 240 volts. We have that there. We actually have an outlet over there, so we'll probably just run a wire from the outlet into here. So it'll be actually a plug versus the direct wire on this one here. So we'll set that up. But really cool. I like this one here. It's Autel, and it looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward. It looks nice. Got all these different stickers, I guess you can put on there for EV charging station. So it can go, I don't know, it looks like it can take 50 or 60 amps. Look at that. On the electrical panel, label the breaker. So you have to label the breaker with the correct one. And looks like it's gonna have an app, the Autel app. So we're gonna set that up as well. So we'll be all good to go. So cool, I like this one. So this is the Autel. So you've seen it here. This is what looks nice. It's going to have the little holder and a nice long, thick, heavy duty cord. So you're going to be good to go. I like it. Thumbs up.